Let's hear from Hannah, a senior who plays on the Viking volleyball team while double majoring in communications and digital design. Hannah's story started with strong family ties to VCSU, making it feel like home. Choosing VCSU has created opportunities for Hannah, including a hands-on internship with the local development corporation, where she has impacted the community in numerous ways. Share your story, Hannah. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Choosing Valley City State University was a no-brainer for me. Coming into college, I wasn't entirely sure what I wanted to study, as I had a lot of different interests. What stood out about VCSU was how everyone here took the time to help me find my path. With strong family ties to this place, it just felt like home. VCSU has opened doors for me beyond academics. I've had the chance to be a part of an athletic team, join clubs, and land an internship with the Valley City Barnes County Development Corporation. It's been a great way to gain hands-on experience in a professional setting. It's also given me the chance to give back to the community. I'm now on the Summer Nights on Central Committee, where we organize events with live music, food, and activities that bring people of all ages together downtown. One of my proudest moments was helping create a mural in the city as a way to add more life and color to the community. What's special about VCSU is it's more than just a school. It's where I found myself. As a third-generation student here, I've always felt connected. My grandma worked here for 22 years, and my aunts and uncles all attended and graduated from VCSU. It's a family tradition, and I'm proud to be continuing it. VCSU has given me the confidence to take on new opportunities and the clarity to understand both my goals and the person I want to become. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Great work, Hannah. It's inspiring to hear how your time at VCSU has given you confidence and shaped your future. VCSU has strong connections with numerous businesses and organizations in the Valley City region, creating opportunities for impactful student internships. Best wishes, Hannah. Thanks again.